Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANFI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this situation, makes mapping out a very straightforward question, quite straightforward. You are not seeing things. The market is still open. So if you see this candle change, like I said, you don't need to go to the eye doctor. But for what I want to really talk about, unless something drastic happens, what I talk about will still be relevant even, at the market close. But the question that I referred to earlier is revolving around the fact that today the price has made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price started off on the day, and now you look at the general area where the price currently is at, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move, especially when you factor in the volume down here. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 90-cent mark. Why is 90 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 90 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, however, in this situation, behaved like this before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just quantifying that phrase progress as 90 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here other than the fact that the party stopped today up there at $1.07. So $1.07 will be public enemy number one going into Wednesday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice move today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.